Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we're going to do the evaluation for the LP that you will teach for the next week. I will check
Yes.
from math, science, mathematica, computer, and English. So we just start from math first. Okay, we have this question. Please start to answer from the first question.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, yeah, here it is.
So I have not read this. I thought there is no for this question.
Oh, this is the homework that you just sent, right?
Yeah.
24 until 28, and if we see the date is already correct.
Can 5 minutes, 10 minutes? I didn't read this from this man.
But I mean, we have the evaluation, right? How is it?
I mean
Why?
I missed this to read this page. This one, sir.
It's okay, miss, just try to answer first.
Look at the picture, there picture A and B. Which picture above show double? This picture show double is what is it? Picture show double here, picture B. A.
Okay, next.
Look, double 2 is 2 times 2. Grace counts the grapes and writes the multiplication sentence 6 times 2. What is the basic number? 12. B,
Okay.
12. How many groups of grapes are there? There are 8. Total is 8.
No, he asked for the groups. How many groups? How is it? How many groups of grapes are there? What kind of this question?
This is actually Safi asks her to change this. Yeah.
Let me check the answer key first. Sure. Okay, number 5.
How many cones are there in a group? This is 3 times 3. So this is B, 9.
9.
How many cones are there in group? 3 times 3, 9.
3 times 3. Yeah, it's 9. Sorry. Next, number 6.
Answer what problems correctly. Sarah writes the multiplication below. 3 times 8 is 8 times 3. So this is will be 24.
24, okay.
Complete the multiplication wheels. Also, I might here times of 3. All right. Sir.
Sorry, just try to answer it. There is a marker there. Find the missing number.
What's this? This is here. 4 times 4 is 16.
Just directly answer from in the missing box, miss.
Mixing box.
Because they ask you to fill complete the multiplication wheels.
All of this will be filled. All of this.
Yeah, I actually I don't you don't have to ask me about that, right?
Because I didn't read yet the questions. Sorry. The question. That's why I don't know what does he means here. That's why I
So how?
that's why I asked you. Can can I move to math and mathematica and science?
So for this,
Give me 10 minutes only the time to read this question.
okay. Let me get this right actually. Even if I don't ask you about computer and English, my part is to do the evaluation for math, science, and mathematica. This is the core. This is the core subject. And if you say to me the excuse or the reason, just like I don't learn about math, uh, I mean that is not my problem, right? Because that's I don't know how do you forget about this math? This is the core subject, and you say I don't learn about math. Doesn't make a
I
sense.
mean, I missed to read these parts. I didn't find it in my. I didn't complete to search all the
Yeah,
questions.
it means it's
Yes, sorry. So
so how? Just give me the answer. You can solve this one or not because we're running out of time.
so I know this is easy actually, but the what is the idea how to answer that? I need to read first, and then I can very easily to
No, no,
answer.
no. I just want you to give me the answer. You can answer this question or no.
This is must be filled
Yeah,
all
it's a
this.
blank space inside.
Blank place. Oh, this is for 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 here, 10. This is 2 times 8. That is here, 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 9, 18. Is it like this? 2 times 6, 12 here. This
Okay, you missed this one. This
2
one.
times 4. 2 times 4 is 8.
Okay, everything is correct. Now we move to number 8. Please make it quick, miss.
Here, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 9, 45. Times 10, 50. Times 10, 35. Times 5 with 15. 10, 14. This is
15, 20. This one, the missing part inside.
10. 5 kali 6. 30 ini 5 kali 4. 20.
Okay. Next, number 10.
There are 5 times 5. Count in 5 seconds. How many altogether? 5 times 3 is this was in comma. Altogether will be 15. Doubles fives. Doubles fives is 25. 5 tambah 5 tambah 5. Doubles 5 tambah 5 is 15. This is
So ready?
yes, sir.
So double 5. What is the answer of double 5?
Double 5, 10, double 5.
So why make it 25?
Double 5, 10.
So how is the concept of why they put point here actually?
Count in 5. Count in 5. Is it like this what you mean here? 5.
No. Don't say to me. Is it like what I mean? Because the one who made the question is both of you, right?
Count in 5.
I ask you now about what do you mean here about counting 5, and you put uh, one line and another line. This question is made by you, both of you.
Many episodes together.
How to solve this one? Yeah.
Count in 5.
Okay, next question.
How many bots are there? Are there in one
Yeah.
column 1? There are 3 bots in one column.
No need to write, just answer. No need to write.
Huh?
No need to write, just answer.
There are in one column. There are 3 bots in one
Okay.
column. How many in one row? How many row? There are 3 bots in one row. So the total is 3 times. The total is 3 times 3 is 9 bots.
Okay, next.
A farmer has 2 fields. In each field, he plants 5 trees. If he plants 2 more trees in one field, how many trees does he have in total? Okay, 2 more trees will be 2 more trees. So the total is 5, 7. So the total is 2 times 7 will be 14.
No, it's not the answer.
In each field, he has planted 5 trees. If you plant 2 more trees in one field, five trees for one field. He plants 2 more trees, so 7 trees for one field. 7 trees for one field. So there are 2 fields, so 2 times 7. What is?
You need to understand between the the statement if he plants two more trees in one field, or if he said if he plants two more trees in each field. If the question in each field, it means you have to add two more for each field. But if they ask for one field, it means you only have add the plants in one field only.
Oh, 7, so 2 times 7, 1. In one field is 5 trees, is 5, and the other trees, one field times 7, so the total is 12. 12, 5 plus 7 is 5 plus 7 is 12 trees.
So can you explain this one to me? Why do you put 1 times 5 here?
A farmer has 2 fields. In each field, he plants 5 trees.
Do the students will write like this letter, or in the answer key? How is the answer actually? Because this is not the, even if your answer is correct, this is not the way to answer. The operation is wrong here.
For the first time, he plants for two field for 5 trees. So the total is 10 trees. And secondly, he planted 2 more trees for one field. So will be 7 trees times 1. So the total is 7. So the total all trees 10 plus 7, 17 trees.
Okay, we just move this one. Okay. Surely the answer is 12.
12.
It's very easy to answer, but I do not know why you write 7 times 1 here. Why do you
Why
write
become 12?
7 times 1 here? The simple operation is just like 5 5 times 2 plus 2 plus 2, and the answer is 12, because a farmer has 2 fields and each field has 5 trees. It means in the total of 2 fields you have 10 trees. But suddenly if he plants 2 more trees, so you have to add 2 from the operation. This is the simple operation actually. This is the things that the students will write later. So I don't know whether you got 7 times 1 and the total 7 plus 10 plus 7. Okay, maybe we just skip this one. Okay, yeah, we move to science now. Question number 1 is, yeah, we move to science.
Look at the umbrella. What will happen if you open it? A, it will change the shape. Here are the example of changing the shape of an object. Sorry. This is C.
Sorry?
Here are the example of changing the shape of an object. The shape of an object will be B.
Next.
When we burn paper, the shape of paper turns into ash. Which following of pictures show the object are very difficult to shape in any pattern? Will be metal.
Okay.
How can we change the shape of a clay? By doing this, we can change the shape of a B. We can use forces to shape of a clay, like pressing it, rolling it, and many more. What can we use to change the shape of an object? An object we can use by do this: fold, bend, press, stretch, or squeeze, roll, or twist.
Okay. Next.
What can we use to make a pot? What can we use? C, clay.
Next.
What can we do to the shape of a ball of dove? This is a squeeze, A, squeeze, stretch, twist, or roll.
Okay.
What can we use to measure height of a ball clay? That is B, toy blocks.
Sorry?
Toy blocks.
No, it's not the answer.
What can we use?
Toy blocks?
Yeah, but the answer to toy blocks.
What can we use to measure the height of a ball of clay? Okay. I will ask Miss Susan about this. Can next
What
question?
is that is the advantage of pressing old cars before they are recycled? The advantage, what is the advantage? This is A. This is C. A large amount of force is needed to change the shape of a car.
What is the advantage of pressing out cars before they are recycled? It saves time, it makes the cars look better, a large amount of force is needed to change the shape of a car. Okay, next question.
A machine break large object. This is crusher. Measurement not universally accepted. This is not non-standard unit. Non-standard unit. To spin or rotate an object is twist. Interwinded strands into a pattern is braided. To press down to leave a mark is dent.
Okay, next we move to Mathematica. Next.
WC berada di sebelah. Ini WC. WC berada di sebelah kiri UKS.
Next.
Ruang guru berada di mana ruang guru? Oh, ruang guru berada di belakang gedung 1. Ruang kelas 4 berada di 4B. 4B berada di ruang kelas 4A. 4B berada di sebelah kanan ruang kelas 4A. Lab komputer.
Sebentar, Miss, sebentar. Ini konsep membaca peta ini di sini. Misalnya, saya coba lihat dulu kunci jawabannya. Ini soalnya ada di buku, Miss. Ada di buku soalnya.
Biasa ada.
Jadi tadi jawaban nomor 2 apa?
Nomor 2 ruang guru di belakang.
Ruang
belakang
guru
gedung
berada di belakang jalan di belakang gedung
Gedung
1.
1.
Kalau kita lihat dari Jalan Ulin. Sebentar ya, saya coba lihat dulu. Oke, kunci jawabannya bagian B. Kalau kita lihat dari Jalan Ulin, berarti dia tepat berada di gedung 1. Ya kan? Tapi kalau kita lihat dari sini,
Iya.
ruang guru berada di sebelah
Ruang guru
kiri gedung 1. Di depan, di belakang. Oke. Sebentar saya coba lihat sebelah kanan. Ruang guru berada di sebelah kiri, sebelah kanan. Oke. Masih bisa diterima. Soal nomor 3.
Nomor 3, ruang kelas 4B berada di sebelah kanan ruang kelas 4A.
Oke.
Ya. Lab komputer berada di belakang 4A. Di belakang kelas 4A.
Oke, next.
Lab komputer berada di sebelah kanan perpustakaan. Itu sebenarnya sebelah kiri menurut saya, karena saya mengikuti kunci jawaban.
Iya, ini bukan alasan sebenarnya. Jadi sekarang jawabannya harusnya
sebelah kiri perpustakaan, lab komputer.
Yang buat soal siapa?
Ini susah. Saya ngajari siswa kalau sebelah sini tuh sebelah kiri, sebelah sana sebelah kanan gitu.
Oke, ini kesalahan soal ya, nomor 5.
Jadi confuse nanti siswanya. Seharusnya sebelah kiri perpustakaan, lab komputer.
Oke, next, nomor 6.
Robot berada di sebelah mainan balok. Di sebelah kiri mainan balok.
Oke.
Boneka teddy bear berada di atas kereta api. Mainan balok angka berada di sebelah. Di sebelah kanan. Ini di sebelah kanan. Sebelah kanan robot. Mainan kereta api berada di bawah teddy bear. Mainan mobil-mobilan berada di bawah teddy bear.
Berada di bawah?
Mainan mobil-mobilan berada di bawah robot.
Oke.
Mainan roket kecil berada di bawah boneka beruang. Vas bunga berada di atas, di sebelah kanan laptop. Vas bunga berada di sebelah kanan laptop. Cangkir di depan vas bunga. Buku-buku ada di sebelah kiri laptop. Roket besar berada di sebelah kiri. Di atas bola basket.
Oke. Okay, I will open the book now. So, math will be taken from page 116 until 122. Okay, we wait for change. Please get inside the frame. You are not inside the frame. Wait for a second. I can't open this one. Come on, make it good. Yeah. So math 116 until 122. 116. Till 122, right? You just go to the question here.
How many theories are there?
Okay, this kind of question is just like in the book. So maybe we move to question number 3.
Farah writes the multiplication sentence below. What is the missing number? 6 times 5 is 30. So 30, and it can be 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30.
So the answer is
30. 6 times 5 is 30. And here, 10 times 3, also 30. 10 times 3 is 30.
so what is the answer? What do you want your students write in this line letter?
6 times 5.
Or you ask them to write 30 and 10 and 13 here?
No, 10 times 3. So will be here 6 times 5 is, I think here the same result like here. 6
Okay.
times 3.
6 times 5 equal to 10 times 3. So my question here is, how do you explain this one to the students later? So they know that the answer is 10.
So the first way is the student know the memorizing what is the multiplication of 3. If there is the same number of the result is 30, and suddenly the student also will know the other number of multiplication to make the result of the same of 30. Then, so the result of the result is the same for 6 times 3 and 10 times 3. The result is the same. So the so the number here will be 10.
Yeah, I mean, how do they know it's 10? They can make it 9, they can make it 7, they can make it 6.
The result should be the same because there is 3 written here. So what is the multiplication of 3? The result is the same with the multiplication of 6 times 5. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we move to vocabulary synonyms. Okay, so we start to do the vocabulary list explanation now, which we do from English. We have creativity.
Creativity is the ability to make something new, by using imagination. For example, the student have creativity to make a clay, to make a toys from a clay.
Okay, imagine.
Imagine is to picture something in your mind. For example, they are imagine of writing a beautiful plane in their paper.
Okay, metal.
Metal is hard and shiny. That is hard, hard properties, which is, for example, metal is, for example, is just like this is then they from nature can be taken from the ground.
Okay. Next, science. Advantage.
Advantage is something that you can take. There's something that can help with this advantage. Something that needs you, that can help you to do something.
Next. Only that.
For example, that the advantage of using these properties is you can do something very well. You can use the word of advantage to say that there is helpful and give benefit to you.
Non-standard unit.
No,
Non-standard unit.
non-standard unit means that there is no standard universal. There is no standard universal, which is, for example, that of measuring something for using that your span. This is non-standard unit of universal things. Non-standard of universal something. Non-standard of measuring of something.
Twist.
This is this is to 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 rotate or to rotate of something. I forget. Sorry.
Okay. Next, we move to. Okay, Mathematica. There's no. Okay, but at least we have math. Pattern. This is math. Math. You have pattern.
That is pattern is a basic picture, or for example that there is a regular pattern or irregular pattern, which can be student can differentiate between this pattern.
No, it's not the answer actually. Describe.
Describe is to give something more details. For example, you can describe how is the picture is so that the student will understand well.
Counters.
Counters is counters is the element part that need to be counted.
No, it's not. Explorer.
Explorer is in the computer there is no forget this.
This is math.
Oh, that's the word explore.
Yeah.
Explore is to look at something carefully, to learn more about something. For example, that the student go to the field to explore more of plants there.
Okay, miss. Yeah. Now we just ended this. We just end this evaluation now. Okay, I think that's all for our evaluation. Thank you, miss.
Thanks, sir.